Hello everyone, welcome back to ARN Analytics. My name is Dr. Aniket and I make videos to educate people in programming and data science because I believe in empowering curious minds and simplifying coding journey for all. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about Python operators. Mainly there are 7 types of operators used in a Python. They are arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, then assignment operators, membership operators, identity operators and bitwise operators. This video specifically deals with arithmetic operators and comparison operators. The prerequisite knowledge required for this video is how to define the variables. You can refer our previous video about Python variables. The links are given in the description. So guys, do you know what are the operators? Let me tell you. The operators are the symbols that performs various operations on variables and values. Like arithmetic operators perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus and power calculations, and floor division. Let's quickly see how to perform these operations in Python. So guys, before moving to the hands-on session, if you haven't subscribed to the ARN Analytics yet, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So as discussed, arithmetic operators perform various mathematical operations on the values and variables. So what first operation you can perform is addition. So let's quickly see how you can perform addition of two numbers. So if you want to perform addition, you can use the symbol of plus. So if you use addition is equal to, as addition equal to 2 plus 3, and if you print results, you get 5. Like this, you can perform subtraction also. And the symbol used is minus, so subtraction is equal to and 6 minus 3 and print the result. So the result is 3. Next, you can perform multiplication also, and the symbol used is a star or asterisk. So multiplication is, let's perform multiplication of 56 into 89 and print the results. So print the multiplication and the result is 4984. So let's move to the division. In Python, you can perform two types of division, the simple division and the floor division. In simple division, you will get the exact value of quotient. Let's say if you want to perform division on these two numbers, let's say divide 5 by 2, and you will get the results like this. And run this cell, so you will get 2.5. Now in floor division, what will happen? It will round off the value of quotient to the smallest whole number. Let's say if you perform this floor division, f underscore division, that is floor division, is equal to 5, and we use two forward slashes 2, and if we print the result, we'll get the floor division and the value will be 2. So you can see here in simple division we got the value as a float. In floor division we'll get the values integers. Now the next operation you can perform is a modulus of two numbers. When you divide two numbers, you will get some modulus, and that can be performed using the symbol percentage. So let's quickly see this. Modulus is equal to, so let's find out the modulus of 5 by 2 only. So you can use you use the percentage symbol and print the results. So modulus will be 1. So that's the result. And at the end, you can also perform power calculations. So let's say if you have to calculate the 4 square or 2 cube, you can use the two asterisk symbols or two star symbols simultaneously to perform the power calculation. So let's say square is equal to 4 double star 2 and print square and print the result, that is 16. Also you can calculate the cube. So let's perform the cube calculation. Cube equal to, let's say calculate the cube of 2 and print it. So you can see here, this is how you can perform arithmetical operations in Python. So friends, hope you have the clear idea of what arithmetical operations you can perform using arithmetic operators and how to use them in Python. Now let's quickly see comparison operators also. The comparison operators are used to compare two values, and in return they provide boolean results like true or false. The few important comparison operators are equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, not equal to, or greater than or equal to. Let's quickly see how to use them in Python. So guys, let's quickly see how does this comparison operator works. The comparison operators are mainly used as a conditional statements in if-else loops. In Python, equal to symbol and double equal to symbol like this have different meanings. The single equal to symbol is an assignment operator and is used to assign the value on the right side of the symbol to the identifier on the left side of the symbol. We will see assignment operators in our upcoming videos. This video will see conditional operators. So the first symbol, double equal to, is used to check if the given values are equal. Like if we have value, we'll print 5 is equal to 5, and if we'll print this, it will return true. So if we'll try to check 3 is equal to 5, it will return as a false. Now what if you will assign, or if you will use single equal to symbol, 5 is equal to 5, it will throw a syntax error. You can see here, it will throw a syntax error. It will say that expression cannot contain assignment, perhaps you meant double equal to symbol. So this single equal to symbol is used for assignment, and double equal to symbols are used for checking the values on left and right are equal or not. So let's move to the next point, not equal to, and this is the symbol used for not equal to. What is not equal to? If you have to check that the given values, if you have two values and they are not equal to each other, then this symbol is used as a conditional statement. So if we want to check 3 is equal to 5, now here it should write, or it should return true value. So here I made a mistake. Instead of this thing, I want this. Now it will return a true. So that's it. So this is a not equal to symbol. Now next, this is symbol we use to check the values on the left side of the symbol are less than the values on right side. Let's see how does this work. Let's say print 3 is less than 5. So we'll check this thing and it should write true. See here. So if we'll write print and 5 is less than 3, it should write false. It should return false. So for first statement it will write true, and for second statement it will write false. So you can see here. Similarly, we have greater than symbol. So I will add a cell here. Print and 5 is greater than 3, it will return true. Or if we'll try with this thing, 3 is greater than 5, then it will write false. So this is how equal to, not equal to, less than and greater than works. Now we'll have another two conditional operators, that is greater than equal to and less than equal to. We'll start with the less than equal to. So let's see here how does it work. If print 3 is less than 5, it will write true. It's correct. Now we'll add equal to here, again it will write true. Now if you check with print 5 is less than equal to 5, now it should also write true. Correct. If we'll move again, print and 6 is less than equal to 5, now it will write a false. Sorry, here I made a mistake. I want to write a 5 here and like this. So this is how the less than equal to work, and we have similar statement here for greater than equal to. So we'll copy this thing and we'll just change the symbols here. So the for first statement it will write false, and for second and third statement it will write true. So that's how it works. Now you can find out the links of these notebooks in the description of the video. Guys, if you have to learn Python quickly, I will recommend you to improve your debugging skills and practice error handling. Let's see what are the possible errors you can encounter while using these operators. So the first one is zero division error. It will occur if you will try to divide any number with 0. Let's say I'll print 2 divided by 0 and I'll try to run this cell. It will throw zero division error, division by 0. It will occur while using three operators, namely division operator, that's I have shown here. Again, modulus operator. Let's try with the modulus operator also. We'll try with the modulus operator and try to run this cell. It will also throw a zero division error, and with a floor division also. So let's try with the floor division. So this is a floor division, and if I'll try to run this thing, it will also throw a zero division error. So let's move to the next point. Next is a type error. This can occur when you try to perform any operation on two different data types. In Python, you can concatenate two strings using addition operator. Let's say I have string like print AR, and I have to add the second string and if I'll run this thing, it will concatenate these two strings. However, if you try adding string with integer or a float, it will throw a type error. Let's try this thing also. Print, and I will try to add 1 with a string A, and I will try to run this cell. It will throw a type error. So this will happen while using any arithmetic operator other than multiplication. Let's say I will try with a minus also, a subtraction. 1 minus 1 minus A, and I will try to run this cell. It will also throw a type error. Now what will happen if you will use multiplication? Let's do this thing. Print 2 star and I am using ARN Analytics. Is that correct? Correct. And I will try to run this cell. Amazing. That's a magic. It is repeating ARN Analytics, that is string, 2 times. Now I'll replace this 2 with a 3, and it is repeating the string 3 times. So this is how the string and integer multiplication works. However, this doesn't work with other arithmetic operators. Now, next thing is syntax error. So when it will happen, if you try to check similarity between these two numbers, let's say 5 is equal to 5, and it will run correctly, let's say true, but by mistakenly you have typed this single equal to symbol, and if you try to run this now, it will throw a syntax error. So this is how the errors can occur during the using of arithmetic and comparison operators. Now it's time to recall your learnings from this video. If you want, you can revise the video with double speed before appearing to this quiz. Hey there, thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it. If you have any doubts regarding arithmetic operators and comparison operators, write those in the comment section. In next video, I am going to talk about logical operators. Also, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the ARN Analytics.